I am here with Chef Vela. He's gonna cook. What are you making?
Spaghetti Aglio Olio.
What are you doing right now?
I am about to thinly slice some garlic. I'm trying to take the skin off of this gang,
Spaghetti.
spaghetti, baby. Says al dente in 10 to 11 minutes, but we want to take it out in 7 to 8 minutes.
So he is adding water. Spaghetti. So how many you gotta add?
7. Gotta do 16 cups. 8.
So we came to the store because he needs parsley and it's important, right?
Yeah. No, need a bag. Need a bag.
How you look with no bag?
You're supposed to.
So he finally got the parsley that he needed. What are you doing now?
I just grabbed 3 pinches of salt. I don't know how much that would be like. Just this much.
Did not have enough olive oil.
I could probably just put corn oil in here and fill up the rest.
Well, he'll make it happen, right?
Yeah.
Now he needs to slice.
Slice garlic very thin.
Because you don't want it to taste like garlic, he said.
Right. You just want like a little bit of flavor of it. About cut 3 cloves, 3 to 2 cloves, big ones. It's difficult. Cutting skills are not there, but you know, practice makes perfect. You'll be good in it.
Up next is the parsley. So how should you cut the parsley?
You want the parsley pretty fine diced. Like I said, my cutting skills are not up to par. But what I like to do is just kind of grab whatever feels easier for you, but I'm just gonna this out. And just bunch everything up together into a ball. And then cutting board sucks. Yeah, you get that crunch on?
Okay. So now you add the spaghetti in the boiling water. So what are you doing now?
I just added the pasta into the sauce, the garlic and red chili sauce. You don't before the garlic turns brown. You want to throw in at least a half a cup of pasta water into it so it won't burn. And once you do that, you just throw in the pasta. That's only been in the water for 7 minutes because you don't want it because it'll cook the rest of the way in the sauce. Stir it up a little bit. You know. If it gets too dry, you can always throw some in.
Now you add the parsley.
Parsley. Add a few more water to keep it so it won't dry up. Burn, you know. Want to add a few handfuls of parsley, you know, not all at once. See, it's drying up here.
So you're practically done, correct?
Yes.
And what is this again?
Spaghetti aglio olio.
I don't,
Spaghetti aglio olio.
I don't think that's how you say it, but...
Something like that.
So here you have the final product. Look at that. Deli. Overall, the spaghetti was good. So, but yeah, make sure you guys tune in and subscribe to my YouTube channel.